There's a first generation buyer. We talked about the budget. I don't have a budget for this, so I need it. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or if it's $100. It's too much. So that being said, if I go cheap or maybe a lesser service, but it sounds the same, I did something. It's better than what I was before. And then when that gets kind of rolling and they experience the experience, and then they go, wait a minute, this is really not what I thought I was getting. Or they have an incident and then don't recover very well. And then they start to go, okay, now phase 2 kicks in. I have a budget, maybe not enough, but at least I have a budget where I can say, this is what I really want and expect. And a lot of folks end up with a bigger player at that point, a bigger company that has done this very well at that point, right? And we see it all the time.